Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by removing batteries and powering down the controller so you don't short anything. Once done, use a T8/T9 Torx or magnetic bit to unscrew the backplate. Keep screws separated by location to avoid mix-ups. Make sure to pry gently at seams with a plastic spudger to release clips. This prevents cracking the shell. You need a clean, well-lit workspace and a tray for tiny parts, since reassembly depends on restoring each screw and spring to its original position. Once open, inspect thumbsticks, triggers, paddles, and the board for worn parts or lifted solder joints because these cause drift or button failures. Carefully remove dust and corrosion with 90% isopropyl alcohol and a soft brush. This restores contacts without damaging plastics. If a stick or module is faulty, desolder and replace it or swap with a known good donor. Make sure ribbon cables are fully seated and clips latched. A loose flex cable often looks like a bigger failure than it is. You now reassemble in reverse, aligning shells and seating springs, then tighten screws evenly to avoid warping the frame. Once assembled, pair to your console or PC and test every button, trigger, paddle, and stick. Recalibrate sticks using the Xbox Accessories app to confirm range and dead zones. If drift or non-responsive buttons persist, reassess stick modules and contact pads, replace them if needed, or check solder joints under magnification. For stubborn issues, a replacement part swap or professional service.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.